Welcome dear student. Today we starts with the test of pyrogens. Aim for today's practical is test of pyrogens by using the rabbit method. Now what is meant by the pyrogen? The pyrogen is a fever producing substances. It means pyro means the pyrexia and gene means the producing. Pyrogens are the byproduct of microorganisms mainly by the bacteria, molds and the viruses. Parenteral solutions are officially tested for the presence of pyrogen by biological test in which fever response of rabbits is used as a criteria. The presence of pyrogen in pharmaceutical product cause a febrile reaction in human beings. Other symptoms like the chills, pain in back and legs and malaise may occur. Pyrogen is rarely fatal. These are the endotoxins having nature endogenous, it means the inside the body, and exogenous, it means the outside the body. Exogenous pyrogens are mainly lipopolysaccharides, the bacterial origin but not necessary. Next one is the endotoxin characteristic, in that they are thermostable, water soluble, unaffected by the common bactericides, which they are the non-volatile. These are the reasons why pyrogens are difficult to destroy once they produce in a product. Next one is the test for pyrogen by rabbit method. The development of the test for pyrogen reached in 1920. A pyrogen test was introduced into the USP 1942. The test consists of measuring the rise in body temperature in healthy rabbits by the intravenous injection of sterile solution of the substances under the test. Next one is why is rabbit is used in the pyrogen test? They are reproducible pyrogenic response. Again, other species not predictable. The similar threshold pyrogenic response to the humans and rabbit chosen for economic purpose. Next is types of pyrogen test. Basically, there are the two tests performed to detect the presence of pyrogen and quantify them in sterile parenteral product. They are the first one is the in vivo pyrogen test by rabbit test. Next one is the in vitro pyrogen test, which is a Limulus amoebocyte lysate test. For this Limulus amoebocyte lysate test, use the crepe. In vivo pyrogen test principle are, this test consists of measuring the rise in body temperature evoked in rabbits by the injection of a sterile solution of a substance being examined. Now next one is the requirements in that selection and protocol. First one is selection of animal. Use the healthy adult rabbits of any sex weighing not less than the 1.5 kg. New Zealand or Belgian whites used mostly. Must be individually housed between 20 and 23 degrees Celsius. Not varies more than plus or minus 3 degrees Celsius. Next one is free from disturbances like the exit them. Feed them a well-balanced diet not containing any antibiotics. Next one is the thermometer. The thermometer or electrical devices which indicates the temperature with a precision of 0.1 degrees Celsius is used and insert into the rectum of the rabbit to a depth of about 5 cm or the 7.2 cm. The depth of insertion is constant for any rabbit in every group. When an electrical device is used, it should be inserted in the rectum of the rabbit 90 minutes before injection of the solution to be examined and left in position throughout the test. Next one is glassware, syringes and the needle. All the glassware, syringes and the needle must be thoroughly washed with water and heated in a hot air oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or at 200 degrees Celsius for an hour. Next one is the retaining boxes. In that, the retaining boxes for rabbit in which the temperature is being measured by an electrical devices should be made in such a way that animals are retained only by loosely fitting neck stock. The rest of the body remains relatively free so the rabbit may sit in a normal position. The animal must be put in box not less than 1 hour before the test and remain there throughout the test. Next one is the preliminary test, in that the SAM test. Now first one is one of the 3 days before testing the product, inject the pyrogen free isotonic sodium chloride solution into animal which has not been used during the 2 previous weeks. Second one is record the temperature of animal beginning at least 90 minutes before injection and continuing for 3 hours after the injection of the solution. Now third one in that any animal showing a temperature difference greater than 0.6 degrees Celsius must not be used in the main test. Next one is the main test. In that they carry out the test using a group of 3 rabbits. First one is preparation and injection of sample. Warm the liquids to examine to approximately 38.5 degrees Celsius before the injection. The sample liquid to be injected may be diluted with a pyrogen-free isotonic sodium chloride solution. Inject the solution slowly into the marginal vein of the ear of each rabbit over a period of 4 minutes unless otherwise mentioned in the monograph. Now firstly, the animal is divided into the 2 groups. First is the vehicle treated and second one is the drug treated. Now take the one animal from vehicle treated or the drug treated. Now clean the vein and apply the vehicle to the vein. By slowly. Now administer the vehicle and the drug to the selected animal or rabbit. Now next one is the select the vehicle treated or the drug treated animal and take the temperature with the help of the telethermometer. With each and every animal. And note down the readings. Next one is the determination of initial and maximum temperature. First one is the initial temperature of each rabbit is the mean of the 2 temperature recorded for that rabbit at an interval of 30 minutes in the 40 minutes immediately preceding the injection. While the maximum temperature is the highest temperature recorded for that rabbit 3 hours after the injection of the preparation being tested. Record the temperature of each animal at an interval of not more than 30 minutes, beginning at least 90 minutes before the injection of the product, to be examined and continuing for 3 hours after the injection. And the difference between the initial temperature and the maximum temperature of each rabbit is taken to be its response. When this difference is negative, the result is continue at 0 response. Next one is the test interpretation and the continuation. Now, if no rabbit shows an individual rise in temperature of 0.5 degrees Celsius or more above its respective control temperature, the product meets the requirement for the absence of the pyrogen. If any rabbit shows an individual temperature rise in 0.5 degrees Celsius or more, continue the test using the 5 other rabbits. If not more than 3 of the 8 rabbits show individual rise in temperature of 0.5 degrees Celsius or more, and if the sum of the 8 individual maximum temperature rises does not exceed 3.3 degrees Celsius, the material under examination meets the requirement for the absence of the pyrogen. If temperature of rabbit decreases after the best, then consider it as the zero rise. Now see, now if we use the 3 rabbits, then material pass if the sum of the responses does not exceed in the 1.15 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now next one, in the material field, if the sum of the response is exceed than the 2.65 degrees Celsius. Now in the 6th rabbit, there is the 2.80 degrees Celsius, and in the again in the 4.30 degrees Celsius. In 9 rabbits, the material pass if the sum of the responses does not exceed in 4.45 degrees Celsius, and it is filled when responses exceed than 5.95 degrees Celsius. If the 12 rabbits, in that the 12 rabbit, the material is passed in the 6.10 degrees Celsius and failed in the 7.60 degrees Celsius. Next one is the advantages of rabbit test. The human and rabbits are equally responsive to the threshold level of the pyrogen. Next one is the question bank. Now first question, what are the pyrogens? And the answer is, pyrogen are substances that cause the fever in vivo. Now the second one is what is the sham test? The test involves the measurement of rise in body temperature of rabbits, which is following by intravenous injection of sterile solution of substances being examined. Third question, in that, what is rabbit pyrogen test? The pyrogen test of a rabbit is based on the measurement of increase in rabbit's temperature upon being injected with a product that could contain a contaminant of the pyrogen type. The pyrogens, as their name suggests, refer to all the substances that cause an increase in fever, which is also known as the pyrexia. Next question, what is the difference between endotoxin and the pyrogen? In that, the pyrogen is a molecule that is the fever producing, and the endotoxin are found in the cell wall of gram-negative bacteria, and the endotoxins are the molecules that some bacteria make internally and secrete the outside. The endotoxin and the exotoxins are released when a bacterium lyses. What is the pyrogenic effect? And the answer is, the pyrogen is a substance causing the inducing of a febrile response which can be fatal in the human. What is meant by the endotoxin? Answer is, a toxic heat stable lipopolysaccharide substance present in the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria that is released from the cell upon the lysis. Here is next one is the result, in that the test of pyrogens by rabbit method was studied. Up to that we have totally covered the pyrogen test.